Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by confirming your business identity and gathering documents now. Do not delay. Make sure the legal name, address, and phone exactly match the info in your Google Ads account because mismatches cause rejections. Next, scan a clear government ID or certified business registration at high quality. This speeds automated checks. Finally, open Google Ads, go to Billing and Account Settings, and find the Verification or Business Information section so you're ready to upload. Once your documents are uploaded, follow the guided form and complete every field carefully. You will reduce review time if you match names and addresses exactly. Select the correct business type and primary country because Google applies different rules per jurisdiction. Upload each document in the required format and label files clearly, then double-check file legibility and file size limits. After submission, watch the verification status and your email for any follow-up requests. Respond promptly. Once you submit, monitor the dashboard for approved, pending, or needs more info, and act according to the result. If approved, verify payment methods and add compliance so campaigns run smoothly. If it's rejected, identify exact mismatches, name spelling, address format, or document type, correct them, and re-upload promptly. If the status stalls longer than 7 business days or you get unclear instructions, contact Google support with your verification reference, ID, so a human can review.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.